Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Honor Pad 9 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is open Google Chrome application, where we tap on the three dots on the right corner and there's settings. Now password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords, maybe to our Messenger account. We can tap there. I must enter look screen to manage it, and there we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this size icon, our smart tablets show us password which remember. We can also edit all by edit, and there we can add something to our email or passwords, or we can add note which we see in our saved passwords. When we custom something, we must press save to save it. We can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!